Hello students, today I am going to teach you a chapter of grammar and the name of the chapter is determiners. Articles are also included in this chapter. Let us begin the chapter. What are determiners? We use a number of words before the common nouns or adjectives to affect or determine the meaning of a noun. So such words are called as determiners. They make it clear which particular things we are referring to or how much of a substance we are talking about. Singular countable nouns mostly have determiners before them. There are different kinds of determiners. Let us begin with articles. Yes, I know articles is a different chapter also. But here in determiners, articles are also a part of it. The determiners a, an and the are called articles. They are of two kinds, definite article and indefinite articles. Definite article, as the name suggests, the means it talks about or refers to a specific person, situation and thing. Therefore, it is called a definite article. For example, the Taj Mahal, the sun, the moon. Then comes indefinite articles. Indefinite articles means a and an. They do not refer to anyone specifically. They leave the person or thing referred to as indefinite. And so they are called indefinite articles. A is used before words used as consonants. Which words are consonants? Any letter other than A, E, I, O, U. For example, B, C, D. Any word starting with B, C, D, F, etc. Those will carry a consonant before them. Those will carry a before them. A is used before the words used as consonants. And then comes vowel. The words which begin with the letters which begin with A, E, I, O, U. Before them we will write the word an. And there are certain words which do not begin with vowels. For example, honest, honor, hour. As you can see, they begin with the word H. H is not a vowel. But still, we write the word an before them because of their pronunciation. A and not an must be used before words which begin with vowel pronounced as Y-O-O-U or W. For example, Europe, uniform, unique, universal, useful, 1 rupee, one-eyed. All these are beginning with the letter E or U or O, which are vowels. But before them we write a, not an. Why is it so? Because their pronunciation is U, uniform, Y-O-O-U. And for example, 1 rupee note, W, the pronunciation is W. And we do not say on rupee note, we say 1 rupee note. So, you have to keep in mind, children, that before writing a or an, we also have to see the pronunciation of the words. And some other examples are a cow is an animal, she is a famous personality, and so on. After that comes possessives. Possessives means possessions. Kiska hai? My, our, your, his, her, its, their. These words are called possessives. They can be used before both singular and plural nouns. He has my book. He has my books. Here in first sentence you can see book is singular and in the other one you can see books are plural over there. But the common word is my. Our house is big. Our houses are strong. After that comes demonstratives. Demonstrative means pointing fingers. To whom we can point, the pointing things like this, that, these, those are used to point out at persons or objects which are close to the speaker or at a distance. पास भी हो सकते हैं, दूर भी हो सकते हैं, जिन्हें हम पॉइंट करके बता पाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस बुक इज माइन, दोज फ्लावर्स आर ब्यूटिफुल, सी दैट ट्री. ओके, coming to the next one, quantifiers or numbers. Quantifiers, as the name suggests, quantity. It tells you about the quantity or the numbers. How much? Some, any, many, much, few, little, plenty, one, two, etc. These all suggest the number or the quantity. He has some doubts. How much work is left? Only a few of them were able to complete the work. Some of them have done their work successfully. So these kind of words. The next one, distributives. Either, neither, each, every. All the four determiners are in the singular number and take singular verbs after them. Each group has its own banner. Every man wishes to be happy. Either side may win. So these are all the determiners, and in your grammar book, Living English for Seniors, in that you will be able to see all these in detail with plenty of examples as well as exercises. You have to solve the exercises in the book itself with pencil, and I will be sending you the solutions in the form of a PDF, and you can check how many mistakes you have made and how many correct ones you have written. So go through the chapter thoroughly. Okay? Thank you.